Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is Harry with Appliance DIY, Do It Yourself. Like I said yesterday in the prior video, I have been repairing appliances for over 15 years and wanted to share some of my knowledge with you guys. I know there's plenty of videos out there for you to see and a lot of good information out there, but I've watched a few of them, and a lot of these videos are incomplete, and they really kind of give you some basic information. If you know what you're doing, you know, they lead you in the right way. And what I want to do is just be a little bit more thorough. Today we have a GE French door refrigerator that the customer is saying it's not heating. So wanted to touch bases with you guys and do a short video on what the problem is that we found. Hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you find this useful to you. Go ahead and share it with your friends and family. We'll be doing some more videos in the next coming days about refrigerators, washers, dryers, and some other tool reviews. Well, thank you. Hi, good afternoon. Wanted to show you what's going on. The complaint here we have is a GE refrigerator not cooling properly. This is a dual evap system, which means that both the freezer and the refrigerator have their own condenser or evaporator with a three-way valve. So upon getting to the property, we take a temperature, and the freezer temperature is about 17 degrees, but the refrigerator temperature is about 74. When I touch here, it shows the actual temperature being 18/74. Fans are working. When I open up the back, a couple things I wanted to show you. One, you see this condenser, it's covered in lint, so that in itself is going to cause issues with you guys. Basically, this condenser here is supposed to reject heat from the refrigerant and condense it, the refrigerant. So because it's covered in lint, we need to clean that up, and that should take care of the problem. But upon further inspection, we do realize here, and I'll try to get the camera in a little bit closer. There you go. See right there, that's the condenser fan water. So what that does is serve a couple different purposes. One, it helps the compressor cool down, so it doesn't overheat and short cycle, and also cools down the condenser. Condenser's having a hard time as it is because it's covered in lint, so that needs to be cleaned out. But because the fan is not working, it's only making the problem a little bit worse, or a lot worse. When you touch the lines, this is the liquid line, or discharge line. This is supposed to be warm to the touch. It is very, very hot. When I touch the other line over here, this is the suction line. This should be cooler. It is also very hot. When I get to the filter dryer, this is very, very hot. It's supposed to be hot, warm, but not burning hot. So this refrigerator needs to have the condenser fan replaced and the condenser cleaned, and that should take care of the no cooling problem. Well, hope this helps.